Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Piquant Post. This is a monthly culinary travel experience in a package. It's $11.99 a month. Each package sends you 4 recipes and 4 corresponding spice blends that take you to a different region of the world every month. All 4 correlate to that area as well. It's really fun. I love to do these. If you're interested in checking out a recipe, I always do a full one of their recipes on my blog. If you're interested in that, I will link you to it. My throat kind of hurts. I don't know why. All right. Yoinks. Zoinks. All right. So, this is looking like Moroccan food, which is exciting. All right. First, we have Moroccan lentil carrot soup. I actually have lentils. I usually go with what I have on hand. It makes the most sense for me. This needs vegetable oil, onion, garlic, pepper, and salt, tomato paste, which I have. Their own Casablanca blend, vegetable broth. I have water, red lentils, diced carrots, lemon juice, handful of fresh spinach, cilantro, pumpkin seeds, or chopped nuts. This looks like it would be great. And it only takes, surprisingly, a total cook time of 25 minutes. So that's not too bad. The spice blend for this includes, this bright red one here. Oh my gosh, Ashley. Smoked paprika, cumin, cayenne pepper, coriander, turmeric, and ginger. That sounds yum, yum, yummy. Then there's lemon harissa chicken. I love lemon, and harissa is so good. All right. You need the 2 tablespoons of Piquant Post harissa, olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, Greek yogurt, chicken thighs, chickpeas, carrots, onion, fresh squeezed lemon. This would probably be good with the soup. Maybe I do both. I don't know. So in their harissa, this is guajillo chilies, ancho chilies, cumin, coriander, caraway seed, garlic powder, spearmint, and cayenne. Then we have charmoula salmon. This is a salmon charmoula, extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, salt, lemon, and cilantro. And in their charmoula is cilantro, parsley, paprika, cumin, spearmint, garlic powder. That sounds really good. Lemon peel, black pepper, coriander, and cayenne pepper. That sounds yummy, yummy. All right, and then there's lamb tagine with apricots. And this requires lamb, which is hard to find in my area. I just have to be honest. So I probably won't be making this, but in this spice blend, there's a lot. So it says coriander, cinnamon, allspice, cumin, ancho, turmeric, black pepper, paprika, cardamom, mace, nutmeg, rose petals, fennel seed, anise, star seed, orris root, lavender, fenugreek, cloves, cayenne pepper, and bay leaf. So there is a lot in there. I cannot wait. I think I'm going to make 2 for this one because it sounds really good, and it sounds like something I could achieve. So if you're interested in that, I will link to that below. I'll also link to Piquant Post so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.